If your current backyard feels a bit tight, Copper Beech Farm offers a rather spacious alternative. A 50-acre private peninsula in Greenwich, Connecticut, featuring a mile of private shoreline and its very own offshore island. Once America's priciest home and recently changed hands for $139 million, this Gilded Age treasure is a masterclass in turn-of-the-century coastal architecture, designed for those who take the concept of summering by the water very seriously. Originally constructed in 1898, the 13,519 square foot main residence is an intriguing architectural hybrid. Two imposing French Renaissance-style stone towers flank the entrance, bringing a touch of European aristocracy to an otherwise Victorian-influenced structure. Inside, the layout maximizes its dramatic setting 40 feet above the Long Island Sound, framing water views from nearly every room. The interiors boast 12-foot ceilings, original oak paneling, plaster friezes, and handsome fireplaces. The kind of meticulous craftsmanship that makes modern drywall look rather tragic. The lifestyle here is less suburban retreat and more personal seaside principality. Mornings might begin with a stroll through walled gardens and apple orchards, followed by a match on the grass tennis court, complete with a viewing pergola for guests to sip drinks while pretending to watch you play. If that feels too taxing, a 75-foot heated pool, spa, and octagonal pool house offer a much more leisurely alternative. For visitors, a 3-bedroom gatehouse provides ample privacy, while an undeveloped offshore private island offers a rugged escape when the mainland gets a bit too crowded. Copper Beech Farm remains a testament to a grand era of domestic design. The crown jewel of the Greenwich coastline, Copper Beech Farm is the pinnacle of the Greenwich real estate hierarchy.